What is the media library inside Zenler? So go to Site, go to Media Library on the left, and this will take you to the media library. So the media library is the location of all media uploaded to your site, whether this has been uploaded through courses or not. Inside of the media library, you have the ability to do a myriad of tasks. You can also upload videos of up to 2 gigabytes. So unlike courses which only allow you to upload 1 gigabyte, the media library allows you to upload much larger files. Please note that in the media library you can also edit lots of the options with the video, and you can also tag the videos for easily filtering later. So this is the media library. Please look at the support documents on each part of the media library features.